Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert multiple blank pages in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a publisher. Now we want to create multiple pages in this publisher. Go to the insert menu, then click the pages drop down menu and click the insert blank page. Click the insert page option and we can see here number of new pages. Now we select the numbers and write the multiple like 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I write the 4. Then click OK and we can see we insert multiple pages in this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.